top case removal. To begin, get your Phillips head screwdriver and remove 3 Phillips head screws on either side. Remove the top 2 screws in the back. Remove the 3 screws on the opposite side. Flip the unit over, and there you will notice 2 screws in the battery bay. Remove those. And you also notice 2 screws in the ram bay. Remove these as well. And the 4 longest screws in the bottom of the PowerBook. Once those are removed, flip the unit over. And there are 2 Torx T6 screws in the top of the machine. Remove these as well. Once those are removed, grab the top case in the back 2 corners and lift up. Pop the top case out of place and then lift from the bottom. There you will notice 2 ribbon cables. Simply disconnect the orange cable from the logic board. and there is a holding bar for the other ribbon cable. Slide the black bar out of place. And remove the ribbon cable. And simply lift up and out to remove the top case.